Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. There is a good news for PhD students that some vacancies are there. The name of the vacancy is Research Associate in BARC, that is BARC. So this is the recent advertisement and you can see there are 31 vacancies. Okay, and these are based on the project wise. So the project number one is like development of materials, devices, analytical instruments, and NDT techniques for physics research. And the qualification it is required is PhD in physics. Okay, and these are nature of the work. And what is the duration of this project? 31/1/2023. Okay, so you can read this nature of work later on. I will just tell you what is the project name, then the branch eligibility, then number two. Okay, so here the qualification required is PhD in physics, chemistry, material science, earth science, or a related field, and the number of vacancy is 4. Okay, project name is development of synchrotron and neutron beam lines, optics, multi-layer devices, liquid hydrogen test loop, and physics research. Okay, and the duration of project is 31/3/2024. Next, it is development of synchrotron and neutron beam lines, optics, multi-layer research. And here again, the qualification required is PhD in physics. Okay. Next, development of synchrotron and neutron beam lines, optical multi-layer devices, liquid hydrogen test loop, and physics research. Okay. So here also PhD is required in cryogenic in engineering field. Okay. Next, newer applications of radiation technology for food security and value addition. Okay, so this PhD in food and food related field, biochemistry, zoology, biotechnology, microbiology, dairy microbiology. Okay, next, structural and thermal hydraulic safety studies for Indian NPPs. Okay, now here PhD in mechanical engineering or ME MTech with 3 years R&D experience as on the final date of application. Okay, next, processing of materials and control of material degradation for nuclear industry, zirconium based, nickel based, and titanium based alloy. Okay, so here PhD in science oblique engineering, material science, chemical science, or metallurgy. Okay, so this is a vacancy for pure, you can say, for a metallurgist. Okay, who has done PhD in metallurgy, and the number of vacancies is only one. Processing of materials and control of material degradation for nuclear industry, zirconium based, nickel based, and titanium based. Same project. Vacancy is one, and here PhD in science engineering, chemical science or chemical engineering is required. Okay. Next. Project name is same. Processing of materials and control of material degradation for nuclear industry. PhD in chemical science, material science it is required. Next. Again, the project is same, processing of materials and control of material degradation for nuclear industry, zirconium based, nickel based, and titanium based. Here, PhD in metallurgy, material science, or mechanical is required. Okay. Same project, processing of materials and control material degradation for nuclear industry, zirconium based, nickel based, and titanium. PhD in metallurgy, mechanical chemistry. Okay. And you can see same project. Then PhD in metallurgical engineering with a specialization in powder processing and characterization and extractive metallurgy. Okay. Next, same project and PhD in chemical science with a specialization in high temperature electrochemistry. Okay. Then same project, PhD in material science, chemical science, it is required. And next project is high performance carbon and carbides. Okay, so here PhD in chemical science, physical science, material science is required. Okay, any one of these. High performance carbon and carbide. Okay, so here PhD in science, engineering, chemical science. is required. Then next, development of a novel multi-resolution fracture model for prediction of graphite failure strength. Okay, PhD in engineering. It is written like so. It can be like mechanical engineering, metallurgical engineering. Okay. Next, development and deployment of technologies of beams and plasmas for nuclear and non-nuclear applications. Two vacancies there. PhD in thermal plasma is required. Okay. Then development of efficient and robust working electrodes photocatalyst for solar energy conversion to hydrogen through photoelectrochemical photocatalytic splitting of water. Next level upscaling of laboratory experience. So here PhD in chemistry is required. Okay. So you can see the duration project wise. You can go to the detailed advertisement also very soon. The fellows recruited will have opportunity to carry out research under plans, projects of BARC under the guidance of senior scientist. So you have to work under senior scientist. Okay. Then yeah. So next part is the amount which you will receive. Okay. So for doing this project work. So there are three levels basically: research associate 1, 2, and 3. And one will get 47,000 per month plus contingency grant of 40,000 per annum. Contingency grant means this is a one-time payment in a year, so it is year wise. Like so for first year you will get 40,000, then for next year you will get again 40,000, considering the amount or the tenure of your project. Is suppose your project is up to 2023, then you will get 40,000 2021, 22 also, and 23. Okay. Next, research associate 2. So here you will get 49,000 and contingency amount is same. Next, it is 54,000 and contingency amount is same. Okay. So along with this money, you will also get HRA. Okay. Where the hostel accommodation is not available. Suppose you are not getting accommodation in the BARC campus, then you will be given HRA. Okay. How much will be the HRA? This is not written. Okay. But you will get HRA. Now, how will you get yourself selected in different category 1, 2, or 3? So it will depend on the quality of your PhD thesis, post PhD research experience. Okay. Then performance in the selection interview. So if you perform very well, then you will be selected as RA3. If somewhat low, then RA2 and RA1. So these are the categorization, usually based on your total performance in interview plus your previous work, whatever you have done in the PhD. The department does not grant any such fellowship to those who have submitted PhD in AWT. Okay, so those who have completed PhD should apply over here. Okay. A person with provisional regular PhD will be treated at par with research associate and will be eligible for fellowship as per exchange rate. Okay. So regular PhD will be treated. Okay. So regular PhD should be there. Cancellation of the candidature. Okay. These are some more information. Okay. So this is the vacancy. Okay. So now, so from where website. Okay. Then go to career opportunities and recruitment and new vacancies, right? And in the last one you can see there is a application, like applications are invited for position research associate fellowship in BARC, and this is the form which you have to fill. Okay, so you can check, this is the form which you have to fill, and the last date for this application is 10th May. Okay, so hope guys this will help you to get some kind of job for the, especially for the PhD student, those who have completed PhD in metallurgy or chemical science and mechanical also, as the vacancies were there.